Hello everyone, welcome in a new video. In today's video, I will present to you an AI-powered apple grading system designed to assist farmers in evaluating the fruit quality before harvest, using computer vision and deep learning techniques such as object detection, image classification. The system analyzes images captured from a smartphone or a drone to detect apples, identify each apple defect such as blotch, rot, scab, and healthy, and assess key features like the size, the color, uniformity. Based on these factors, each apple is automatically classified into quality grades A, B, or C, and the system provides an overall summary to support better decision making and market planning. So to start the app, we just click on this button that will take us to the second image. Here we can upload a single image or multiple ones. We will try them both. Let's start with a single image. Here we click on this area and then we select an image. For example, let's try this one. We can also take a photo using the camera from this button. After that, we click on analyze the image. Here we have some tips for better results that helps the user capture more high quality images. So we click on this button, the system will analyze automatically the input image and try to classify our apples. Here on top we have a card that shows us the total apples detected in the image. Here we have 3 apples detected as grade A. Here the grade distribution. Here the detection results. And here we have the individual apple analysis for each apple detected in the input image. For example, for this one, the middle apple, the detection confidence is about 100%. The system detected this apple as healthy. It gave it a tag of healthy. Here we have the size of the bounding box. The system can classify the bounding box into 3 categories: small, medium, and large. Here we have a medium bounding box. Here the how much the apple is red. Here we have like about 70% of the apple is red with a color uniformity of 78.3%. Here we can see that the color grade is good and the detection confidence is about 94.6. Here the image classification results, we see that as the highest class is healthy, and so on for the second apple, this, and for the third apple. We can here export a PDF for these results by clicking on this button. We cut the PDF, we can open it, and here we have a PDF summary of the detections. Now let's do some batch mode. We can upload up to 20 images. I will select these 4 images, for example, and we click here. Here we have a total of 4 images. We have 4 apple detected in all images. We have 1 apple that is detected as grade A, 1 apple detected as grade B, as you see here, and 2 apples that are detected as class C or grade C, like you see in this distribution. Here we can see each image analysis. For example, for this image we have a total of 1 image and total of 1 grade C apple. This is the annotation output, and this is the individual apple analysis. We see here that this apple is classified as scab. It has a defect of scab. For this one, it is grade C and has class of rot. There's a defect of rot. We can export here a PDF if you want. For the third image, we have a grade B image. We have a grade B apple with a classification of notch here. Here we have a large bonding box. The redness is about 10%, small amount. As you see here, the blotch is detected with 89.9%, and so on for the third. For the fourth apple, which is a healthy apple, as you see here, and it have a grade of A with 100% accuracy. So if for example the user uploaded an image that doesn't contain an apple, or the system cannot detect the apple, for example like this one, it doesn't have any apple, the the web app highlights an alert and says that there is no apple detected. Okay, here we have our history for the single and batch modes. So we can view it from here. We see that there is no apple detected. Let's back. Okay, let's see this. The batch. We see the results here. We can export the batch PDF here on this button. And here we have the PDF. Now let's test the mobile version of the application. This is the welcome page. To start, we click on this button. Here we have the second screen to upload the images. I will upload this image, for example, and we click on analyze. Instantly, the system detects the apples and grade them. Here we have two grades, grade A and grade B. For the three apples, two apples have grade A and one apple have grade B. As you see here, the first apple is healthy with grade A, the second apple is grade A with the tag healthy, and the third apple is healthy also, but with the grade B, because we have some this yellow color on top of the apple. As you see here, the color uniformity is about 4%. This is the history page. We can see our history here. For example, let's click on view here. We can view our last process. We can delete it also. We can clear all the history. So thank you for your attention, and see you in the next project.